Let's just take a second and get real fucking real for 1 second, right? That unless you're like got cancer, some type of ALS, your organs are failing, right? That would be the only valid excuse for you not executing and overcoming something. The rest of the bullshit that we use, including me, was nothing more than piss poor choices, right? I mean, valid. If you're dying, you're dying. And if you're fighting for your life, you're fighting for your life. But we take those kind of scenarios, right? I don't know what to do. You know what the fuck to do. Quit using dope and alcohol in a sentence. It ain't rocket science, right? I have yet to walk into any recovery meeting and everybody be wearing a fucking astronaut cap, right? A NASA spacesuit. Never happens. So you are not required to know rocket science to fix your life. The good news is this, because it's all your choices. It is a lot like going into the airport, right? And in the majority of airports, there is escalators. And you get on the escalator and it takes you down. And it's without much effort. You just got to stand there. And it's real slow. And when you reach the floor which you want to stop at, the next level, you get off the escalator. And it just kind of kicks you out. And that's kind of like your choices. The choices you were making, oh, I can get high and go to work. I can fuck around on her. I can steal that, shoplift that, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to sell myself for a shot of dope one time only. And the next thing you know, you have started catching escalator after escalator of going downhill without little effort. You're just fucking going downhill, right? And you can't turn around, right? And better yet, every once in a while, you ever seen them silly sumbitches that slide down the escalator real fast? You don't see it all the time, but you'll see it. And all them people right there, they're fucking dead. Yeah. Those are the people that overdose. Shoot themselves. Do terrible, sign out early because they thought they could beat the escalator down. No. But the good news is that for every escalator that goes down, there is one that goes right back up. And the factor that you've got to do, the decision you've got to make, right? It's not brain surgery. Haven't walked into any recovery meeting and everybody wearing a smock and mask with big bright lights holding a scalpel. Not yet. Not yet. Hasn't happened. All you have to do is turn your happy ass around and get back on the escalator going back up. And here is the problem with that. You must understand that they don't make escalators that go one speed and the other. They both go the same speed. And so the amount of time it took you to get down is the same amount of time it's going to take you to get back up. And you never see nobody sliding up the sumbitch backwards. No. Don't happen that way. You only see them sliding downhill, and those folks are dead. They got tombstones or they're in a box somewhere. And so all you must do is at the next level, your little rock bottom. I can't take it no more. I can't take it no more. It's too hot. I ain't ever went to a recovery meeting and somebody dressed in a fireman outfit, fire protection. No, never happened. Wasn't too hot in there. All you must do is get back on the escalator, go back up, and ride it. Just like you rode the one down. For real, man. For fucking real. And let God do his work. Fluid English.
You really wasn't even